24Pcs in 12 sizes. Each press-on nails set comes with 24Pcs in 12 different sizes in the box. They're convenient to choose the suitable size that fits your every finger. DIY your nail art at will, giving you great fingertip aesthetics. Safe, no fading. These acrylic press-on nails are made of high-quality ABS material. A top coat has been added to make the colorful fake nail kit more textured and shiny. Beautiful and durable, it is also very friendly to beginners. Easy to use. False nails easy to apply and remove. Includes 1 sheet glue stickers, 1 wooden stick, 1 mini nail file and 1 tutorial card. A full range of accessories allows you to quickly get nail salon-like effect. Last longer. The glossy press-ons tips can be reused and last about 1 week when used stickers correctly, and it can last 2 to 3 weeks with licked glue, not included. If you have any questions in use, please feel free to contact us. Gifts for her. These cute stick-on nails are wonderful gifts in Halloween, Christmas, New Year, Valentine's Day, etc. Also suitable as wedding favors or birthday gifts for your wife, girlfriend, sister's mother. Perfect for parties, cosplay, prom, dates, masquerade and other occasions. Top reviews from the United States. Great for tiger costume. I wore a tiger costume for Halloween. I wore tiger striped gloves with the fingertips cut off so I'd be able to use my phone. Then I applied these pointy black press-on nails to look like claws and it worked perfectly. The nails stayed on even when I had to pull my entire costume up and down to use the restroom.